Have you ever felt your heart pounding at the fury and unfathomable beauty of nature? With Protect Nature, you will enter an exciting adventure where each natural phenomenon is a door to the great secrets of the earth. From storms that sweep away everything in the blink of an eye to volcanoes that erupt with destructive power, together we will explore and learn from these unexpected forces. Are you ready to immerse yourself in this dramatic and breathtaking journey? Groups of fish suddenly jumped out of the water, signaling that danger was approaching. Hot sunshine alternating with showers are favorable conditions for the growth of this locust swarm. The panicked birds quickly flew away to find shelter. Dark clouds came to cover the sky, signaling the coming rain. The sound of rain falling resounds, echoing throughout the area. Prolonged rain erodes the soil, causing great difficulty in traffic. Columns of black smoke rose to cover the entire sky. The power system was cut off, increasing the terrifying darkness here. White snow covered the entire road, causing major obstructions in traffic. The low temperature causes this place to be completely covered with snow and ice. The ice layer is as if covered with a layer of transparent glass. The giant iceberg suddenly cracked and fell into the sea. The fierce wave brought mud, sand, and garbage to the mainland. The ship struggled to cope with the terrible power of the tsunami. The whole city was submerged in water, a horrifying scene. The river water rose rapidly, submerging the entire bridge. The turbid floodwater swept away everything in its path. Large cracks appeared on the mountainside, suddenly falling onto buildings. The turbid water suddenly flowed rapidly, as if it wanted to wash away the place. The whole road was submerged in an endless sea of water. Boiling streams of magma poured out of the volcano's crater. Thick black smoke rose and covered the entire sky. Thick black smoke rising makes the air here seriously polluted. From a distance, the storm looked like a giant, angry monster. It looked like a giant, angry beast rushing towards us. Flashes of lightning tore through the dark clouds, illuminating a corner of the sky. A strong wind blew past, causing the roof of the house to soar high. Large rocks suddenly fell, causing great danger to those passing by. Large chunks of ice rose high and then collapsed within seconds. It lazily floats along the water to continue its journey. Lightning suddenly appeared, adding color to the night sky. A giant, towering wall of water threatens to swallow everything in its path. The fierce roar of the wind echoed throughout a large area. Dark clouds covered the sky. The wind howled fiercely. With terrible force, the wind blew past, causing the trees to completely collapse. Due to the power of the wave, the boat is shaken and at risk of capsizing. It roared ferociously, sweeping away everything it passed. The landscape here is desolate. Everything has been completely destroyed. Roads were flooded, washing away all vehicles on the road. The ground suddenly cracked. Long, deep cracks appeared. The house suddenly collapsed and completely collapsed in just a few seconds. It seemed like all the buildings had collapsed into rubble. Rocks and soil rushed down, making people surprised and frightened. The scene before our eyes looked desolate and dilapidated. The rainwater level rose and it flooded the entire house. Roads were submerged in water, causing major traffic disruption. The giant tornado rolled around, ready to swallow everything. Rising temperatures caused the phenomenon of ice melting at the poles to occur strongly. The ground is severely dry and hard, forming deep and long cracks. Crops were severely damaged due to drought and long-term water shortage. The fierce wind blew like a hurricane, blowing everything around. It advanced violently and brutally on the mainland. Huge columns of smoke rose to cover the entire sky. Thank you for joining Protect Nature through challenging paths to discover the great power of nature. Recent disasters are a wake-up call, reminding us of the importance of protecting the environment and preparing for the future. If this video has inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to spread this important message. Let's create a greener planet together, where we and future generations can live in harmony with nature. See you in the next videos on the journey to protect the Earth. Be